In this video, I'll show you how I go about bringing some old sun-faded plastic back to life. To start off, make sure the surface is clean. We're going to use some 1000 grit wet sandpaper. Make sure the surface stays wet the entire time. You don't want it to dry out. Next, we'll go do some 2000 grit sandpaper. This little block I have is, I think, from a headlight polishing kit, but you can find 2000 grit sandpaper at your hardware store. Again, just make sure the surface stays wet the whole time. Next, we'll go to some rubbing compound or polishing compound. And then we'll apply a coat of wax. And then the last step is this McGuire's spray-on wax. It's a easy last coat, goes on real nice and cleans everything else off. And there's the finished product. Nice and shiny and much smoother to the touch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.